So I've been actually dealing with BMW motorcycles since I was 21. A company called Wunderlich. They decided to work with us, and maybe the fact that I speak German had something to do with it. I don't know. Have been the importer for Wunderlich since the year 2000. And but anyway, so we moved in here in 2008. So it'll be now 10 years since we've been in this location, and we are responsible for the U.S. and Canada. And it's a very, very cool company. Mr. Wunderlich and I have become really good friends over the years, and we're really so happy to be able to offer you the products. So in addition to the Wunderlich product line that we sell, we also expanded beyond that. So we have a lot of parts, many of which you can't get anywhere else because they're not being manufactured by BMW. And so we're hooked up with Siebenrock and a few other importers in Germany. And so we also have a full range. So now we can really say we have everything for BMW from 1970 to the present. And now Edward's got this whole new gig going on where we're not only going to be able to supply parts, but you might want to talk a little bit about what you're doing.
Yeah, so I've been working on bikes with my dad for many years. He kind of gave me the in and outs. I do a lot of transmission rebuilding, 5-speed,